Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you guys my holiday gift ideas for 2020. I know 2020 has not been the ideal year for all of us. It's been definitely a challenging year, but it's still not going to stop me from giving and from giving gifts to my friends and to my family. And I have some really great gift ideas for you guys in this video. So keep on watching and let me know in the comments below what are your favorite gift ideas for this year. So the very first product I want to share with you guys is this cute little squishy cup. Yes, it's called Squishy Cup. It's by a company called Earth and Element. It's a California-based ceramic company, and I love this company. Everything is handmade, and I personally really like handmade ceramic products for my kitchen because they're just super special. I think a coffee mug is always a great gift idea. My daughter Valentina and I literally fight over this cup because we love it so much. So yeah, that's my first choice for a holiday gift idea. My next gift idea is Mother Dirt. I love the name. It's a probiotic skincare brand, and I love that they offer this amazing starter kit. And I think a starter kit is really great for someone who is new to skincare, or really great for teenagers. Another thing I think you can do with a starter kit is you can take out, the products and actually separate them for multiple friends, or it also makes an amazing stocking stuffer. And in the starter kit, you get a great cleanser, you get a serum, you get a mist, and they also add a 2 sample size conditioner and shampoo in there. You will also get a really nice hairband and a really nice towel. I also really like this brand because it is made in the USA and they never test on animals. And if you want to find out more about the brand, you can check out their website. And I also have some really good coupons for you in the description box. All right, the next product I'm going to share with you guys is finally here. It's my product. It's Monika Blunder Beauty. I came out with a all-in-one concealer / foundation called Blunder Cover. And I also created this really beautiful brush. It's called the Hybrid Cream Brush. You can use these 2 products together. I think that this would make such a beautiful holiday gift this year. Great stocking stuffer, or you can buy it for any of you girlfriends. I created 7 shades. I think that the shades are really beautiful. Very easy to figure out what shade you are, but if you are having trouble with it, you can always DM me and I will help you find the perfect shade for you. The brush is really great. It's again a hybrid brush, so it works really well for any cream products. Great for a cream blush or even contouring. Great together with Blunder Cover or even for pressed powder. So yeah, this is Monika Blunder Beauty. Go check it out. It's available at my site at monikablunderbeauty.com, or you can also find it at neimanmarcus.com. All right, my next gifting idea are these adorable hair sets. They're called INVISIBOBBLE. I think that this makes an amazing stocking stuffer, great for any teenage daughters you have. I think that these bands are so gentle on your hair. They really don't cause any breakage or pull on your hair. These cute wavers are a great alternative for bobby pins, and they are super festive and cute for the holiday. And I personally really love any types of hair bands. I use them all the time when I work out or being in my own home. I love having my hair pulled back, and I love all the different options you get in these cute little sets. So the next gift idea is, I think, a very appropriate gift for this year, for 2020. Anyone can benefit from a face mask. And I think what makes this face mask so special is that it is actually made out of cashmere on the outside, and it has this beautiful silk wrapping in the inside. It feels really nice on your skin. I love anything silk because it's really gentle. and I think it's a very sort of unique gift. I have not really seen any cashmere masks, so I think this one is a really good one. It's called White and Warren. All right, my next holiday gift idea is a candle. I know it's a very universal gift, but I'm such a big fan of candles. I have them all over my house. I love the way how they smell, the way how they warm up your home. And this particular one by Tom Ford, Lost Cherry, is so unique. It smells so good. It smells like rose and jasmine. And I love that it's red, so it's really suited for the holidays, and I just think it's a really great gift. All right, my next gifting idea is the JOJOBA company. The JOJOBA company is a skincare brand from Australia, and their active ingredient is jojoba, which I think is such a beautiful ingredient. So jojoba is actually not an oil. It's the only plant in the world that stores liquid wax in its seeds, so I think it makes a really great ingredient for any skincare. This skincare line is really sustainable, and it is a natural skincare company. Some of their products include the jojoba water toning mist, which is super hydrating, the ultimate serum, which is really firming for your skin, the ultimate youth potion, which enhances your elasticity, and the Australian WADI jojoba. It's sustainably grown and amazing for your skin. So I think that if you have anybody in your life who is very conscious about sustainability, I think that this is the right present for them. And my next gift idea is incense, and these are not your ordinary incense. These are called Atelier de BALTHUS, I believe that's how you pronounce it. A friend of mine recently gave them to me as a gift. They're pricey, they're not like super cheap incense, but they're so unique. I have never ever smelled an incense like that. They just, every time I burn them and I have a guest come to my house, they always ask me what is burning, and they're just super unique and special. So that is my next gift idea. The next gifting idea is a book. Who doesn't want to get a nice book about interior design for the holidays? I really like this one. It's my friend Amber Lewis, who is an amazing interior designer here in Los Angeles. I am such a big fan of hers. I actually have a little girl crush on her. She's amazing. She has multiple stores in LA. They're beautiful. She sells furniture. She has a beautiful Instagram account where you can get great ideas on how she decorates and how she creates all these beautiful homes. So this is a beautiful book for the holidays. All right, so to end this video, I have one more gift idea for you guys, and it's actually my husband's artwork and photography, PRENSENA. He's a fine art photographer. Many times when I shoot my makeup tutorials, you see some of his work in the background, and many of you always ask me in the description box who the photos are from. So they're by my husband, PRENSENA. You can check out his work at jprensena.com. And I think especially this year, because a lot of us have not been able to travel, I think a photo of his would make such a beautiful gift, because we haven't been able to travel, and his photographs really take you to so many beautiful places in the world. You can find photos from Italy, from Africa, from literally all over the world. So check out his work and let me know what your favorite print is. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful to you. As always, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, like this video, and I wish you all a happy holiday, and I see you in 2021. I hope 2021 will be better for all of us. Bye.